Welcome to Tutorials by David, everyone. Today we'll be having a quick review of the RetroSnap Play. Does it really give you a nostalgic console, or is it just another scam gadget? Are you ready to rewind time or fall for a gimmick? So meet the RetroSnap Play, a handheld claiming to load 20,000 retro games, deliver 4K visuals, and even double as cute digital camera. So on paper, it sounds like a nostalgic dream, but peel back the layers and red flags emerge. Multiple reviewers have exposed it as a rebranded R365 emulator with inflated specs and a cheap camera bolted on. Many of the games included are duplicates or locked behind foreign menus. The supposed 4K display often defaults to lower resolution, and the build quality feels fragile at best. Customer reviews are split. Some praise nostalgia and portability, while others struggle with bugs, missing titles, and refund headaches. So, in short, the Retro Snap Play can deliver bits of retro fun, but don't let flashy marketing fool you. It's more novelty gadget than polished console.